RPG. Or a missile launcher.
Where is the divine source? Tell me!
Stop! Don't hurt anyone else!
Where is it?
Wait! Wait! There's a map. The atlas. It will show you the way.
Okay. Tell me about...
Shotgun? I can finally use all that shotgun ammo I've been...
Covering fire!
We're on the fire at the edge of the village. If you can hear me, we need your help.
Please, no, wait!
Covering fire! We're on the fire at the edge of the village. If you can hear me, we need your help.
Just you and me.
Please, no, wait! You're a jerk, and I don't like you. Where am I supposed to go? Oh, shotgun. I love you.
Let's go!
Oh, hey.
Reloading!
Where?
Stand back! This is mine! Just try that again! Come on! It's gonna blow!